Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Brooks Grocery app is and how it's positioned. Brooks Grocery is a mobile grocery shopping and information app that lets users browse products, view weekly deals and circulars, search for items, and plan grocery trips from their device. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. With Brooks Grocery, you can quickly look up products available at Brooks grocery stores, see current prices and deals, and build a shopping list so you know what you want before you go. The app may include features like digital weekly circulars you can flip through, categorized product browsing, and easy search tools to help you locate specific foods, household items, or specials. You can save favorite items or lists so you don't have to start from scratch every time you plan your groceries. Brooks Grocery may also offer recipes, meal planning ideas, and related content to help users decide what to buy and how to use ingredients. This app may be useful for people who want to organize grocery lists, catch weekly discounts, or browse products conveniently without walking through every aisle. For users interested in grocery planning, price checking, and keeping track of items they buy regularly, this could be an option. Brooks Grocery runs on compatible iOS and Android devices and may require an internet connection to fetch the latest circulars and product details. Some user feedback may indicate occasional loading or update lag for deals or lists, but those experiences are individual and not official limitations documented by the developer. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual shopping habits and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.